Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I saw this on the internet. It's called a yes puzzle, or I'm going to call it a yes puzzle. I'm going to put my email at the bottom of the deal. If you really want the file, I'll send you the file, but I wish you would just draw it yourself and kind of learn. But then if you would later on, if you can't figure out, you want to take these cutout letters. So we'll go ahead and smart fill them so they just kind of stand out. And you want to arrange them where it's a symmetrical object. It's a little challenging. I think it's a good puzzle for all ages. But I'm just going to show you how I drew it. I drew the table tool 7 by 7. I held down the control button, and then you could make it any size you wanted. I'm going to make it just like 5 by 5. And I probably about the size I made it. They're actually a little bit big, so this is actually bigger. So you could probably reduce it to make them not so much wood and a little bit better. But then just take your Smart Fill tool, and we'll zoom in here, and let's do the S first, and we'll go ahead and use that green. Whoop! You know what? There's a good lesson. I like the graph paper tool. I've got something set, kind of funny. So I've got it set on 7 by 7. We're not going to resize it. Take the Smart Fill tool and make that Y. So you could actually maybe not even use 7 by 7. And then I would change colors and use like red, and I would make the E, and we're going to be able to separate them out so to cut them. And then I'm going to get blue and make the S, and they're realistically touching, but when we separate them out, they're not. So there's your letter. So if you'll take the green, put it up there, take the red, put it up there, take the blue, put it wherever, and just weld it. And then take this one and weld it. And then take this one and weld it. And then we can take all three of them and we can left click, right click, and make sure it's a hairline to cut out. And then there's your puzzle, and it's really quite entertaining. But I would put my email, but please try to figure it out yourself, just kind of like a game. And then if you can't get it, email me, and I'll send you a photo of the symmetrical object. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.